wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ. Come and shut a selector boy.
What's good, damn mafia gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another banger. You already know what time it is. Yo gang, we're back with us with something a bit different today. This request came from one of our damn mafia members. You know what I'm saying? This one request came from Jourdin Reed. So big up yourself, Jourdin. You know what I'm saying? He asked us to react to Skillibeng ROCKSTAR. You know what I'm saying? But when I search it, I don't see no song from Skillibeng called ROCKSTAR. I just see this one from Jourdin Pauline featuring Skillibeng ROCKSTAR, official visualizer. So I'm not sure if this is a remix or unofficial song, but we're gonna check it out. You know what I'm saying? We like listening to music over here. You know what I'm saying? We like listening to different stuff. You know, as long as it's a banger, we all good. We up for it. You know what I'm saying? Plus, it's featuring Skillibeng. You know what I'm saying? And if it's featuring a new artist or a different artist, it don't matter. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna check it out and see what I want. And it's for the culture. You know what I'm saying? It's for the gang. You know what I'm saying? So shout out Jourdin Reed. We're gonna check this one out. I'm not sure what to expect on this one. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, probably some ROCKSTAR vibes. Not sure what to expect on this one, but I hope it's a banger. You know what I'm saying? But you already know, before we jump into the video, gang, make sure you code is life. Do the right thing. Hit the like and subscribe button, man. Come on, code is life. You don't know, gang. And if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. And yo, gang, remember the Discord server is live. The Don Mafia Discord server is live. Link is in the description. Go ahead, click it. It's free to join the Discord. Go over there. You can message me directly. You can send me videos, content idea, video requests, all that good stuff over there directly. You have a better chance of reaching me than on YouTube. So okay, so go over Discord and join right now, gang. Yeah, we're gonna check this one out. This is Jourdin Pauline featuring Skillibeng ROCKSTAR. Sound like an interesting title. I'm not sure who Jourdin Pauline is, so we're gonna find all that out and see what go on. We're not even gonna go all of the vibes much longer. Let's just jump in the track, man. You know what I'm saying? We talk about that end game. Let's get it. This is Jourdin Pauline and Skillibeng ROCKSTAR, man. Let's get it. Kind of a long intro, but it's building up. All right, let's see what's going on. Come on.
Is that? She want ROCKSTAR body, TRAPSTAR body. Yeah, man. ROCKSTAR body.
Yeah.
She want ROCKSTAR body.
Me want ROCKSTAR body. You wanna chop?
I ain't gonna lie. This different book. Well, Skillibeng doing his thing on this shit. You know what I'm saying?
You want ROCKSTAR body. ROCKSTAR body. Living the dream in the movie. Life fucking real clean to me. Die for me, squeeze a little. High, but I still feel
yo, this bass going crazy though. This bass going crazy though. It's overpowering almost the rest of the track. But I can see what they're trying to do on this one. You know what I'm saying?
ROCKSTAR body. ROCKSTAR body. ROCKSTAR body. ROCKSTAR body.
Eastside ROCKSTAR. Run off the asphalt. Fuck girl hard. Rip out the air like bad grass.
Let's see me report the air like what? Cool.
Stack pan stack. Big old giant like Sasquatch. Run off the place like bad song. Money every day like cash app. Yeah, ROCKSTAR. But me will cut off your head.
I mean, run off the place like bad song. Money every day like cash app.
Can't this Lincoln thing, you know, I got them. You get on my dick and I suck off your head. Then I'm a Louis V, I'm a boss hash then. She see me with hand dust, love off your leg. I'm coming out V.
She said me with one dust, love off your leg. Damn, to go.
This type better than you and your charge them. That's why heavy girl love off your neck. ROCKSTAR body. She want POPSTAR. TRAPSTAR body. ROCKSTAR body.
Me want ROCKSTAR body. You wanna TRAPSTAR body.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, this song is definitely a vibe. This is definitely for the ladies, you know what I'm saying? But
you want ROCKSTAR body. ROCKSTAR body. Living the dream in the movie. Life fucking real clean to me.
that bass is hitting hard as hell, bro. Gang, I barely have any bass on my shit, bro. My bass is at -12 right now, King. You know what I'm saying? That shit going crazy.
clothes, hang your
Yeah, girl say hit it with the lights on, hit it with the lights off, hit it with her eyes closed. The girl that freaky. Right?
lights on. Baby, you the right one. Put me in the right mode. Rockstar, 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 rockstar. Real rockstar nigga, yeah. 12 figures, rich nigga, yeah.
We still boss out your bloodline. Hey, girl, don't play with Skilly. Hey, it's a fun track. It's a fun track. Come on. I like when tracks are different. Not what you expect on that.
12 figures, rich nigga, yeah.
Bloodline head.
Boy, ramp, run 110.
Come on. It's a fun little track, bro. I rock with it. I rock with it. Come on.
Rockstar body. She want pop star body. Trap star body. Rockstar body.
Come on. What she want? What she want? What she want here?
You wanna trap star body. You wanna rock star body. Rockstar body. Living the dream when I'm with you. I like fucking real clean and real. Tight so I'm gonna squeeze you a little. High but I still feel when I'm with you. Rockstar body.
And yeah, this is a little like, it's definitely different from what you would expect from Skillibeng, but this is what I mean when I like. This is why I say when artists should collab and do features, bro, because they end up doing tracks they won't normally do, and end up get a sound from them that you wouldn't normally hear. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. And every song need to be oh bad man and this and that and some. You need some look fun, creative, out of the box, out of your element song sometime. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
Rockstar body. Rockstar body. Rockstar body.
Yeah, man, dope track, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Tell us, Skillibeng so versatile, bro. Man can make rock song. This man can make rock, country, drill, pop star, dancehall, reggae. The man, Skillibeng versatile. A lot of people don't realize how versatile Skillibeng is. You know what I mean? And this man be killing every track he's on. You know what I'm saying? Go if you think a Skillibeng track is garbage, go listen back to it. I bet you when I really listen, you'll be like, yo, damn, this man creative as fuck. Come on. Even a track off called Real Estate, which I hate no blood clot. I hate that track with a passion. Go listen to Skillibeng verse. Man murdered that shit, bro. Valiant, me blame me for the song there. Me no business. Anyway, gang, let me know what y'all think about that one, man. You don't know that Skillibeng ROCKSTAR. You feel me? That was Jourdin Pauline featuring Skillibeng ROCKSTAR. That's an official visualizer. I'm not sure if that's an official song. I don't think it's an official song. Maybe it's an official song for Jourdin, not Skillibeng. Because it was on her page, it wasn't on Skillibeng. I'm not sure if it was an official song or if it was a remix or a mashup or whatever. But that was requested by one of our gang members, Jourdin Reed. So big up to you, man. You know what I'm saying? Really dope track, really fun track. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, this is what I mean when I like to see artists link up and do collabs and features, man. You end up either one of the artists have to end up stepping out the element, you know what I'm saying, and doing something different, you know what I'm saying, and you end up getting a different sound, maybe a different type of lyrics or style that you would normally get. You know what I mean? And they're able to push their boundaries and push their creativity, man. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I like that a lot. That was a very fun track. Of course, that's not something I would listen on a daily, but it's definitely something that I like. You know, that's definitely a dope ass track, bro. Really mad tune. You know what I'm saying? I know the girls are gonna love that. You know what I'm saying? This can probably get added to your girlies playlist. You know what I'm saying? Or you can add Ox or if you had it to Fearless, it's gonna be pretty weird for you to play a song and say you want ROCKSTAR. Anyway, you know what I'm saying, gang, big up your damn self. If you like to show the artist all love and support, make you know say Jambisco and send you know. I don't know what time it is. Yeah, man, and let me know what you react to next. Like I said, make sure you join the Discord. Link is in the description. We'll hit over there. You can send me requests. You can chat to me. You can chop it up directly. All that good stuff. live events, everything, man, going on Discord. Make sure you're over there, man. Make sure you're over there. Do the right thing. Make sure you get over there. Fast, ASAP. Do yourself a favor. Yeah, more bangers coming, more dope tracks coming, so stay tuned, gang. You already know what time it is. Your boy Jambisco, man. Hey, we're coming to take over, gang. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, we just get started. You see me? Equipment, if you come now reach it, but we just get started. I get now any minute now. You know what I mean? Anytime I hit to drop a video upon the bumper, I drop a video upon the bumper. Ain't no more itching, ain't no wondering, ain't no second guessing, bro. Just I go drop a video upon the blood clot. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, more music reactions coming, more other videos, interviews, things about the culture coming. So stay tuned for all that, man, for the whole Caribbean. You see me? We rising. The Mafia. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. You don't know. Love you guys. I'm out.